So folks, today I'm going to show you how to make Paul Hollywood's famous lemon drizzle cake. This cake recipe comes to us from Paul Hollywood of the Great British Bake Off fame. Paul Hollywood says, "This is my favorite cake of all time. The perfect lemon drizzle has a light and airy sponge and sharp, zesty, crunchy topping. Has quite an intense lemon flavor. But other than that, it's a total classic, and I don't think you should mess with the classics." So let's get started. To begin, we're going to beat together 1 stick plus 4 tablespoons or 175 grams of softened butter, 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons or 175 grams of superfine or caster sugar. Next, we'll add to that the zest of 2 lemons. I just love making lemon zest. It's so fluffy, delicious, and yes, very lemony. And it sticks to your fingers. Whisk together until the mixture is light and fluffy. For the next step, we're going to add 3 large eggs, one at a time, and mixing well until it's well combined. Egg number 1. Watch this little trick. Egg number 2. And egg number 3. Starting to look very lemony. This is going to be a wonderful cake. I can tell already. I think you're going to love it. So the next step involves adding the flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. We have 1 3/4 cups, or again, 175 grams. 3 ingredients in this recipe are at 175 grams. The butter and the sugar. 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2, and a half. And a pinch of fine salt. Does that look like a pinch? Maybe a little bit more. Should be good. Here we go. Now that all the basic ingredients are well combined, we need to add some milk to give it what Paul refers to as a dropping consistency. I think I'm going to go a little light. We'll go exactly 2 tablespoons of whole milk. And that's going to make it easier to drop into our greased and parchment lined baking pan, loaf pan that is. That's how we do it. It's looking really, really good. Spoon the mixture into the prepared loaf pan and gently smooth the surface to level it. Good. gently smooth the surface to level it. This is my smallest offset spatula. And sometimes I think I could even use a smaller one. Or maybe just a good old-fashioned spoon. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until a toothpick comes out clean. In we go. Well, folks, here we have the baked lemon drizzle cake. It's time to make the drizzle, so let's get right to it. Oh, what's the best way to do this? I'll put that like that. Put those down there. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar to the juice of 1 lemon. I'm going to pour this juice into this pitcher, but I'm going to do it over the sink because I would probably spill it. Once you've removed the cake from the oven, make the drizzle topping. Mix the lemon juice and sugar together in a small pitcher. While the cake is still warm, use a toothpick to prick holes all over the top of the cake, then trickle over the lemon drizzle. Leave to cool completely in the pan before removing. Here we go. Prick holes all over the top. How many holes is enough holes for a lemon drizzle cake? I don't know. So we'll just prick away, and soon this lovely lemon juice trickle, lemon juice and sugar will permeate this beautiful, beautiful, freshly baked cake. I think that's a lot of holes right there. That should do the trick. A few in the corners and on the edges, just like that. Here we go. That is so yummy. Beautiful lemon juice. There you have it, folks. Ooh, still hot. Lemon drizzle cake. Thank you, Paul Hollywood. Enjoy. And please be sure to click the like and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the next sweet treat right out of the oven. Bake along with me and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching.